Look at this. Lionel Messi, this is your chair. This is your year. You've been crowned the best player of the year, the best player of the world. This is your moment, and enjoy this moment. And can I sit with you? Yeah?
You know why Messi is the best player I ever seen in my life? Because he's a competitor, he's an animal. And now we pass the ball and we take a look. When you pass the ball, you have to score those guys. Messi passed the ball and goal machine smelled the goal.
Who's the best player in the world?
Lionel Messi.
Who's the best player of all time?
Lionel Messi.
To prepare the game for Messi is impossible. Messi is a fantastic talent. And if you want to prepare well the game against Messi, you have to avoid to speak about Messi, about the skill and the ability of Messi. Messi is a fantastic talent. And if you speak to our players about the skills of Messi, the player will be afraid because I think he's a top talent.
When Messi has the ball, 1-1-1, you are dead.
The toughest opponent you've played against?
Messi, arguably the best in the history of football, in my opinion.
I didn't play against Messi because he was injured. And when we played, and thanks God he was injured. No, I was lucky.